Mumbai has luxury projects. Mumbai has expensive projects. Mumbai has sea view projects. But once in a while, a project comes along that genuinely changes the conversation around luxury real estate in the city. And honestly, this feels like one of those projects. Macco 12 Realty presents 25 West by Hubtown, the closest you can get to Worli. Set in the iconic neighborhood of Mount Mary, Bandra West, overlooking the Arabian Sea, Bandra Bay, and the Bandra Worli ceiling, this development is not trying to compete with the rest of Mumbai luxury real estate. It's placing itself above it. And the moment you start understanding the project, you realize very quickly that this is not just another luxury tower. This is positioning itself as a future landmark address. Now here's the thing, projects like this are becoming almost impossible to create in Mumbai anymore. Why? Because Mumbai is running out of premium coastline, especially in locations like Bandra West. Mount Mary has always carried a certain aura around it. It has old money energy, low density character, cultural significance, and some of the rarest sea-facing real estate in the city. One of the first things that stands out here is the way the project has been imagined architecturally. The elevation feels clean, modern, and intentionally understated. Not flashy, not over-designed, which honestly makes it feel even more premium. The entire project is designed around openness, elevation, and uninterrupted sea-facing views. And in Mumbai, that matters massively because a true panoramic sea view is no longer common. It's become a luxury reserved for a very select few. And these views are insane. You're looking at uninterrupted Arabian sea views, Bandra Bay, the ceiling, and the city skyline all at once. And during sunset, the entire atmosphere changes. The residences themselves are massive by Mumbai standards. Sea-facing 4-bed residences starting from over 2,800 square feet of carpet area, going all the way up to sprawling 16,000 square foot penthouses. And what's interesting is that the layouts seem designed around volume and openness rather than squeezing in units. That's something serious luxury buyers immediately notice. Now let's talk about the lifestyle experience, because this project feels less like a residential tower and more like a private luxury resort above the city. You have a grand double-height entrance lobby, private lounges, a pool cafe overlooking the skyline, spa facilities, a mini theater, banquet spaces, fitness and wellness zones. Everything is designed to create a sense of separation from the chaos of Mumbai below. And honestly, that might be the biggest luxury of all. This project is not for everybody, and I genuinely think that's intentional. It's for ones who seek the finer things and life. For people who value privacy, identity, and exclusivity over loud luxury. Some projects are built to sell inventory, but once in a while, a project gets built that feels like it will become part of Mumbai's luxury real estate history. And this genuinely feels like one of those projects. For private previews, pricing, and exclusive site visits, connect with us at Macco 12 Realty, South Mumbai's leading luxury real estate wealth advisory.